This has to be the biggest and the heaviest na produce namin na product. This weighs 10 kilos and it actually contains the Quicks poker set, no? So papakita namin, outside the box, we are trying to achieve yung shipping crate look. So we have the stencil na Quicks sa harap, logo. And sa kabilang side, we have the Run It na logo in a Quicks stencil na style. And on the side, we have the red warning signs, like a shipping crate, diba? And on the side, meron namang yung details which says limited to 199 poker sets lang, no? And itong handle na to is actually the poker set. No? So pag binuksan natin yan, you can see the poker set. Yan. Okay. Yan. Ito yung poker set. Diba? So you have the Tech 63 close-up profile sa harap and sa likod. Same as the back design ng OG Black kasi we really like the artwork here. You have the Quick Skull logo. And here at the top, meron siyang latch na pwede mong i-unlock. And inside you will see the contents of the poker set. So you have total of 5 colors ng poker sets, poker chips rather. So you have yellow with the Quick Skull logo. You have the black. Ito naman yung blue, red, and we also have yung gray. Then meron ring 5 custom die with features the Quicks logo. Ganda, di ba? And syempre, the official bicycle cards of Quicks, you have 2. First is the OG Black, tapos meron ring Ghost White na deck included in the poker set. Also, meron siyang kasamang key so you can lock itong poker set mismo, no? And as mentioned, these are limited to 199 poker sets only, no? So magkita-kita tayo sa release. Yun lang.